She's talking. She's holding a phone. Dark-haired lady in her 40s probably. Hasn't noticed the green light. And she's holding a phone, and I'm certain she's having a mobile phone conversation. Lima Golf 67 X-ray Foxtrot. She knows. Same number plate in the front, she's on the phone. I like the daddy pig.